that enters Illinois water bodies comes from agricultural tile drainage systems. It is estimated that ag tile drainage systems have been installed on 40% of Illinois' 27 million acres of cropland. The first U.S. tile drainage system was installed on a New York farm in 1838. The goal was to drain excess water from the land to increase crop yields. The first tile systems were dug by hand, and the water was carried away in clay pipes. Former U.S. agricultural policies encouraged farmers to expand their farms to feed the country's growing population. This led to the rapid expansion of this drainage system across the country. Today, clay tiles have been replaced with flexible, perforated plastic tubing laid in machine-dug trenches. As with most innovations, there can be unintended consequences. In this case, the tile drainage water carries the unused nutrients and pesticides that farmers use to further improve crop production. As a result, tons of fertilizers and other ag chemicals flow into local water bodies and are eventually carried to the Gulf of Mexico, creating a dead zone each summer. When ag tile drainage water contains the excess nitrogen from fertilizer and natural soil processes is fed into a smart wetland, the water flow slows down and meanders through the vegetation and across the sediment. By holding the water for a longer period of time, the natural wetland physical, chemical, and biological processes such as sequestration, absorption, and transformation remove the nutrients from the water. With changing rainfall patterns and intensity, there is more tile drainage being installed. We need to connect the tile drainage with tile treatment conservation practices in order to reduce of nitrogen off our farm fields.